Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P20 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to send messages via Google Assistant. In the beginning, enter Google app, tap button in the right corner, go to settings and Google Assistant. Now enter voice match. Make sure this function is enabled. Now you can simply say, "Hey Google, send message to Lily."
Okay, what's the message?
Hello, how are you?
Sending your message saying hello, how are you?
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.